Take care placing the first mat into position. A tamper may be used to press the mat straight down and flush to the concrete. Do not use more force than necessary. Remember, anchoring this first mat into place, along with the established reference line, is critical when using mats with a straight line pattern. Repeat the process, placing the second mat next to the first, and continue with as many mats as are available. In order to minimize later touch-up work, take care that the mats are placed together as tightly as possible until tamped firmly into place. If not placed tightly against each other, double lines may appear and the pattern will not run true. Once in place, tamp the mats so that they bottom out against the concrete. A consistent amount of force is required, although more force may be needed when further into the pour. The goal is to achieve uniform texture throughout the project and is the responsibility of the person working the tamper. When picking up mats, it is important to break the suction on each mat before it is completely removed. To do so, carefully lift from one side using your thumb and the handle. Continue picking up and placing mats, leapfrogging out in the planned direction. Some patterns are available in more than one design, as is indicated by the variously colored mats on this project. Alternating mats by color minimizes repeat of the pattern and enhances the overall look of the job. In most cases, the shape and dimensions of the area to be textured will not be divisible by the dimensions of a single mat. Thus, some handwork will be required to texture certain areas. Here, the mat is shown overlapping the edge of the form. While imprinting this area, the mat should be supported by hand or by materials on the job site. This will ensure complete texturing. A more flexible floppy mat or wall hugger is used to get into corners up against a wall or around a stationary object. At almost half of the thickness of the regular mats, wall hugger floppies can be manipulated and folded to texture hard-to-reach areas. Bond Tool also makes companion accessory mats to imprint places where neither the texture mat or the floppy will work. Periodically inspect the work for areas requiring a deeper impression. A chisel or jointer may be used to complete the pattern if the mat fails to leave an impression.